This is Dad trying to move my car. He put his truck under the tree. I don't know why. And my dogs are really confused. And the Mazda is, look at her. Stuck. I really think Dad just wants to leave, so he wants my car out of the way. Oh gosh. I think my car might have been safer underneath the tree. Now, Mazda, she's a beast, but gosh, there's 2 feet of snow. There, look at her. Alright, let's see what happens next.
What?
Grandpa's crazy.
Huh?
Grandpa's being crazy.
Did you see him?
Yeah, he's trying to move the truck. What in the heck? There's Doo-Doo. Daisy.